out here at the Old City Park with Royal. It's January 16th. And I just had my first good find of the day. And I'm thinking it's a Canadian largie. I haven't really inspected it too closely. It was only ringing at 21 on the Equinox. What do we got here? Oh yeah, 1 cent Canada. 1918. 1918.
Beautiful. Hey, that was only 2 inches down.
It was, yeah, 2, 3.
Around a tree that's been hunted 10 million times.
Gotta love it.
Awesome.
Probably somebody just passed it thinking it was a bottle cap or something. It wasn't ringing, you know, super high. Alrighty, let's see what else the day brings.
Gotta love it.
Alright, just starting to be able to make out the front a little bit now as it dries out. Beautiful. Happy to have that for sure. Keeping the streak alive, 4 outings this year and 4 silvers. Got another war nickel. I had one last weekend. And it's a 43p. So I guess if I want to get 100 silver on the year, I just need to have 100 outings. Yeah, that's my plan. I've only dug 4 coins today, and one's the war nickel and one's the Canadian largie, so I guess it's a good ratio of spurs to clad, we'll call it. Totally thrilled with this find. Perfectly full, intact, not broken skeleton key. Found here at the park. I love it. In my mind, that's a great save right there. Awesome. And the next good find out here today is a little religious medallion. I think it might be an older one. Love it. Let's keep digging. Yes, some people would call me crazy. It's 21 degrees out here. Everything's covered in snow. I literally came to the park today with my shovel. Cleared off an area just so I could detect. been here maybe about an hour and a half. Got some pocket change. And these are what I would call the keepers on the day. Got a Buttons Arcade token, 1 wheat penny. And I just dug a ring right here in this hole. Not sure if it's going to end up being silver or just junker. We'll see. But I had fun. Got out. And I think I'm going to call this a wrap. If you want to get out and detect, you still can, snow or not. When there's a will, there's a way. Thanks for coming along with me on those final 2 hunts of January. And thanks for sticking around at the end. I think you'll be happy you did, because I have another book to give away. This one is Chris Altman's From the Ground Up, Artifacts and Adventures. It is the expanded 5th edition, 268 pages of nice, witty, humorous, interesting, metal detecting stories. This copy comes to you autographed by the author Chris and his wife Kim, who was the editor of this book. And just, like I said, I've been thoroughly enjoying it. It is chock full of pictures, stories, metal detecting history somewhat, and photographs of the types of things that we find out in the field. I think you'll really enjoy it. I certainly have. And I'll be happy to give one away. Happy to support Chris. And share this book with anybody in case you hadn't heard about it. If you don't win a copy and would like to buy it, I will have a link in the description of my movie as to how you can do that. But we're going to give this one away. And we're going to do it in probably, I'm going to let it run at least a week. But my next video, whenever I decide to stop it, will draw a winner using random.org. And all you need to do is comment in the comment section of this movie, say I want in, and pick a number between 1 and 500. And we will pick the lucky winner. Yeah, I've been totally loving this book. Witty, humorous, interesting stories galore. Keep you out of trouble in those cold winter months when you can't be out swinging. And you just can sit around the fireplace and read a good story about metal detecting if you can't be actually out there doing the metal detecting. Once again, that's From the Ground Up by Chris Altman. Drop your comment and you'll be in the running to win a copy. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it. Until the next time, we'll be seeing you.